Hey everyone, here's a quick video to show you how you can figure out the health status of your local running node. In the subquery documentation on the left hand side, if you go to run a project, expand this out and you'll see a section called check your node health. Now there are two endpoints that you can use. The first one is called a meta. This brings back information such as the target height, the best height, the uptime, all the other bits and pieces you can see on the screen here. And then the second endpoint is the one called health. This will return an HTTP 200 if it's successful. Otherwise, it will return a 500 error if the indexer is not healthy. And quite often, this can be seen when the node is booting up. If you manage to use an incorrect URL, such as healthy with a Y, then you'll get a 404 not found. So let's go ahead and check out how this works. I've got a node here where I'm going to start this up. I use the subql node command. The -f flag will point to the path that my project is in, and I'm going to use a dot because I'm actually in the directory of my project. So let's hit enter, spin the node up, and then in my other tab, let's go to health, and you'll see here that the site can't be reached, but now the indexer is 500 because it's connected to the node. It's not healthy, but if I hit refresh, you can see a blank page here, and if I go ahead and inspect the network tab, you'll see I've got an HTTP status code of 200, meaning that the node is healthy and it's up and running. And indeed, you can see that that is true as well. If I go over to meta, here you can see all the information, the metadata related to the node to allow you to understand the current processing height. So if I refresh this, you can see it's changing like so. The current timestamp, the uptime, and all the other wonderful information that you can query and make use of to understand the status of your node. So there you have it. Nice and simple, nice and quick, /meta and /health.